Okay, Daniel, today is your first English class. You waited for this moment. So why are you so nervous? It's just English. Millions of people speak English every day. But my heart is beating so fast.
Excuse me,
Oh, sorry.
are you waiting for the English class too?
Yes, I think so.
You think so?
Well, I hope so.
I'm looking for the beginner class.
That's my class too.
Really?
Yes, today is my first day.
Mine too. So we are both beginners.
And both nervous.
Very nervous.
My name is Daniel.
I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you, Emma.
Nice to meet you too, Daniel. So, are you ready?
Honestly, not really.
That's okay. We can be nervous together.
That sounds better.
Let's go inside.
Okay, let's do this.
Wow. This place is beautiful.
Yes, and very big.
And busy.
Look at all the students.
People from many countries.
That's amazing. Listen,
What?
everyone is speaking English.
Well, that's a good sign.
For them.
For us too.
My brain feels very slow today.
That's normal. Your brain is warming up. Don't worry. Today we start small.
Small English?
Yes, simple English. One step at a time.
That sounds possible.
Come on, let's find the reception desk.
Good idea.
Good morning. Welcome to Cambridge Veritas.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Are you new students?
Yes,
It's your first day?
Yes.
we are a little nervous.
That is normal. Every student feels nervous on the first day. What are your names?
Emma,
Daniel.
All right. I see your names here. Here are your student cards.
Oh, wow. My name is on it.
we are official students now.
Real Cambridge Veritas students.
Your classroom is room 204.
Second floor?
Yes.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your class.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Room 204? That should be upstairs.
Yes. Second floor.
I think these are the stairs.
Let's go.
This is it?
Our classroom.
Yes.
Why does this door look so scary?
It's just a classroom door.
But behind that door, there is English.
Lots of English.
That's what scares me.
Relax. We are here to learn.
You're right.
Ready?
Ready.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to Cambridge Veritas. My name is Alex, and I will be your English trainer.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Are you ready to start your English journey?
I think so.
Great. Let's begin. Today is a special day
Why?
because today you start speaking English.
That sounds exciting.
And scary.
Don't worry. Mistakes are welcome here. Mistakes mean learning.
That makes me feel better.
Let's introduce ourselves. Emma, would you like to start?
Sure. My name is Emma. I'm from Spain. I want to improve my English.
Nice! Great introduction. Daniel, your turn.
Oh. Okay. My name is Daniel. I'm a little nervous,
That's okay.
but I want to speak English confidently.
And you will.
Repeat after me. My name is...
My name is Daniel.
Perfect. I am learning English.
I am learning English.
Very good.
This is not so bad.
See? You are improving already.
Maybe today will be a good day.
Great job, everyone. That was a fantastic first class.
That was fun.
Yes, I was nervous this morning, but now I feel confident.
That's the power of practice.
Remember one thing. Confidence comes from speaking.
Then I will keep speaking.
Me too.
See you tomorrow.
Of course.